Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can reset the Windows security on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So if in some cases that your Windows security is not working fine or like this is not opening, it is opening but closes immediately, then you need to repair it. So I will share it to you two ways on how you can repair your Windows security. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Apps. That's under Personalization. Now in the list of options for apps, click on Installed Apps. So these are all the applications found or installed in my Windows. So here simply search for Security. Then click on the System Components. And you will find the Windows Security right here. Now you have to click on these three dots, which is More Options. Click on Advanced Options. Now here, you'll find this reset. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Now you have to click on Repair first. Now once you click on Repair and the Windows security is still not working right or not working fine, then you will have this. If the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted, so you have to click on Reset and then reset once again. So this is the first method. Now simply close this window. Then the next method is we can just simply make a search in the Windows search bar. Type here security, then right click and then select app settings, or in the right pane just simply click on app settings and the same window will appear, and you just have to scroll down and then click on repair. If the system component isn't working right, then try to repair it. And still if it isn't working right, then you have to reset it and then reset once again. Once done, simply close this window. So repairing the Windows security, this is one of the fixes or solutions in order to fix issues with your Windows security, or if it is not that effective, then you can also try any other solutions. But in this video, I've shown you on how you can reset the Windows security. So I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.